G'day YouTube viewers. Today we've got this boat here that Craig's brought in. This is his Barron Sportsman. He's brought it in for some Gelcoat repairs. Common thing that happens with these sort of trailer boats, being fiberglass, is that they always seem to cop a bit of a hiding when they're being brought up on the trailer. And we've got Gelcoat damage along the keel. If you don't get that damage sorted out real quickly, what happens is the water ends up getting into the fiberglass, osmosis starts, you end up getting fiberglass rot, and the keel can get soggy. Eventually you get cracks and all sorts of business going on later on down the track, and it becomes a bit of a major deal to get repaired. So what we're going to do today is we're going to just fix up all those Gelcoat cracks, fill them up with some Flocoat Gelcoat filler, and send them back, and then he'll be on his way. Stay tuned and subscribe, and I'll get back to you with some more detailed information on how to do this job properly. Cheers.